Hi, my name is Greg Marshall and I'm a sales rep at Soma Technology, and I'm here to walk you through how to set up the alarm settings on your new Axia monitor. To adjust the alarm setup on your new Axia monitor, it's a couple of quick steps. At the bottom, you're going to see the alarm setup key. Press it, go to alarm priority, choose a parameter that you want to adjust. For heart rate, tap it once, you're at high. For ST analysis, same thing, press it high. And you can do that for respiration, NIVP, or any other setting that you want to adjust also. And then to adjust the alarm limits, go back, press the alarm limits button, choose the parameter that you want to adjust for that, and then you can turn it on, off, and then same thing for like gas alarm limits. Right now it's on, you can turn it off, turn it back on, hit the back button, and then you're just exiting out, and you are all set.